Okay, so good evening, friends. Welcome to the Sunday lesson, and I'm going to share my screen. I promised that I will show you something today, which is about Cordoba. So last week I showed you how Cordoba has those narrow alleys where the shade covers you while it's very hot out there. This is how I went to Cordoba from Algeciras by train. This was that particular train. And as I told you, at 6 p.m., this is how the roads looked. There was not a single soul at that time. And the reason, the temperature was in early 40s, 43, 44, 45, sometimes 46, 47. And the temperature peaks from 4 to 7 in Spain. So all these lanes are deserted. There are no people on the street. Everyone is having a good siesta after a late lunch because it is not so hot at 12 or 1 or even 2. So this is how the streets looked empty at that time. The next day, I went to a place called El Mezquita. The church was called El Mezquita Church, and El Mezquita means mosque. So mosque church, that is the name of the church. And why? Because actually it was a mosque built by the Moroccans, Moors. And later on it was converted to a church. So look at these pillars here. If you can notice, these pillars are constructed in the Moroccan style. They have these double arches. Zai, what is that called? You don't type there because I cannot read while I'm showing. So if you can shout, please tell us what is that called. She's an architectural student. Prajakta, if you know, you can also answer. So these are the double arches, the typical way of construction for them at that time. This was a huge mosque. What the Spaniards did is they destructed the middle portion of that. We are coming to that still. These are still the other sides of the mosque, which are maintained at the same level. Only the middle portion is lifted up. This one. So this is the cathedral which they built by destructing the mosque, the central portion of the mosque only. And even that is built beautifully, but they did not destroy other parts of the mosque. They maintained it as it is. And even there are words written there which mean God is great. So it's written in Persian or Arabic or Urdu as we know it. What they have written is Allah is great. And somebody told the Spaniards, don't destruct it, you will be punished by God. So they asked those people, what is the meaning of this? And they said the meaning is God is great. So Spaniards said, yes, we agree God is great, let it be. So in all the structures of Alhambra as well as Cordoba as well as other places, wherever there was a mosque or any structure constructed by Moorish people, Spaniards have not touched that, including the words in a foreign language for them. And they have built this quite well as well. And here, as I mentioned, this is how the narrow alley was, where the shadow is protecting you throughout the day from getting sunburn while walking. So you walk through these alleys, which are covered for almost entire day, except when sun is directly on top of your head. Maybe for 15 minutes either side of 12, it might not be, but otherwise throughout the day, you can walk through these alleys without getting burnt. And it's necessary in that kind of weather in summer especially. And then from here, I went to Madrid. This was that particular train. It had this in front of me, which I pulled when I had breakfast or lunch or coffee. And this is what I wanted to show you as well. Madrid has got metro since 1919. So it is 101 years now. And they have given a map there of when all the cities in the world had metros before them, which all cities and when did they have it. So you can look at it. Londres, which means London, had the first metro in the world or tube, 1863. Then Chicago, 1892. Now in front of Londres, it is written Reino Unido. Reino means kingdom of United Kingdom, UK. So Reino is King's Union. Then Estados Unidos is United States. Budapest, Hungria, that is Hungary. Glasgow, Boston, Paris, Berlin. Athens is Athens. New York is Nueva York. Philadelphia, look at the spelling. There is no PH, it is F. Hamburgo, Buenos Aires, and Madrid. Pratiksha has entered waiting room. I must admit her. So this is how they write the names of other cities and other countries. Alemania means Germany. And in most cases, they translate those, but sometimes they just return as it is. I wanted one more thing to do today, Prasad. Many of them are still confused about pronouncing certain words. So one by one, let them pronounce it the Spanish way. Okay. So we have Abhishek Kurlekar. Start the first word. Pronounce it the way it is, as if it is a Spanish word. You are reading as a Spaniard. How will you read this?
One.
One. Correct. Aditya Bijur, if you are there, read the second word. If you are not there, Ajay Patil, please read the second word. Anyone? Anyone can shout. How will you read this?
This will be tuo.
Tuo. Then the next one.
Tre.
Tre.
H will be silent and E will be pronounced twice. Then
Or.
Then
Fibe.
Five.
6 will be 6. That it will return.
7.
7. Then this one.
Eight.
Egg. H is silent, so egg.
Eight.
Then Nine. 10. Okay.
About 8, but G will be pronounced as Kh, na? 8th.
So actually, this is just to demonstrate things to you. G. Yeah.
It will be go. It will be go.
If there is U or E after that, it will be K.
Okay.
No U or E after that here. Argentina, E or I, that will be there.
One question here. If a Spanish person looks at this slide, can they find out that it is English?
By looking at this EIGHT, they would know that it is not a Spanish word. They can find out.
They can find out, right?
Then how will you pronounce these words? First word on the left.
Singapore.
Then
Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur.
Yes. Bangkok.
Bangkok. Colombo.
Clinton. Trum.
Then
Stockholm.
Then
Helsinki.
No, her sound.
Helsinki.
Then
Baking.
Ajay Patil, how will you pronounce the next word? Ajay Patil stays in this city, by the way. The next one.
Adelaide.
No, Ajay, no sound. Adelaide. Arey, nahi baba, Adelaide. Is Prashant Dhoot here? Prashant Dhoot stays in this town in Tennessee. Nashville. Okay, so this was just a brief exercise to show you how the Spaniard words are pronounced. Even in my current Japanese class, we face this challenge. Some students pronounce one as one, whereas it should be one, because there are some Japanese words which start with one, something. So please remember, you are looking at Spanish words. Whenever you are reading anything, if you see diesel engine, you will pronounce that DSL engine and not diesel engine. Okay. With
I
that,
also had one question in pronunciation.
yeah.
When we write CI or SI, we pronounce both the words C only. So how will we come to know that we have to use CI or no
Okay,
SI?
okay. So normally, as I told you, like I pronounce it as Thi and Fe. If I see CI and CE,
Okay.
okay. And some parts of Spain pronounce it as Th. Some parts of Spain pronounce it as S. Okay. So normally, if you just notice the word C, that is yes, is with S and I. But
Yes.
in other words, you will find C and I or C and E mainly.
Okay. Gracias.
Prasad will answer further, and I hand over to him now. And I need a break because I just ended Japanese and started Spanish. So I need a coffee break. Give me 10 minutes or so. I'll join you back.
Okay, Prasad,
Prasad?
have you enabled share screen, Prasad?
I will add you as host, make you as host. Okay. So you are co-host now.
Yeah, gracias.
You can share. Let me see that you can share, then I'll go. Otherwise,
Okay.
in case there is a challenge.
Can you see the screen?
We can see the screen, but we see.
Yes.
Now we can see. Yeah.
Okay. As Prajakta was asking, she was asking about C and S. Prajakta, am I right?
Yes, sir.
C as say and S as essay. That way you can always clarify. So I mean, I didn't get what you wanted to say.
In case you see a word which says, for example, Cincinnati, so how will you know whether to write it CI or SI? That is what the question was.
Yes, exactly. In last class, I was revising that, so I came across word Khaktan Sioso. So while writing, actually, I wrote by mistakenly CI, but no, sorry, SI, but it was actually CI. So that way.
Okay, you need to know in advance, frankly speaking. That
Okay,
is how
spelling.
professors get a chance to compare marks in dictation. That used to happen. That happens. Yeah, that happens. You need to know. That's the only thing. Frankly speaking, otherwise the other person can clarify whether it's C or S. Is kind if it is amable or kind enough. He can specify. Else, it's up to you. But then, what I taught, spell as per pronunciation and pronounce as per spelling. So if you write it that way, nobody would mind. And it's understandable because in Spain, at any point of time, there are more tourists than the local population. So they are very tourist friendly and they help a lot. There is no racial discrimination. So there is a fair chance that you will be helped out rather than they will mock you or make fun of you. So
Okay.
they are helpful. They are helpful.
Okay, sir.
The whole 70% of GDP of Spain used to come through tourism because till 1975, till November 1975, till Franco died, it was most of the countries had boycotted Spain, and Spain was dealing only with a few countries. So tourism was the only source of income for them. So it was like that. They depend heavily on tourism. Okay. You already hope you have gone through the PPT on SARE. Have you gone through the PPT on SARE? Soy, Eres, Es, Somos, Sois, Son. Have you gone through that PPT? Have you done your Tarea homework or no? Hello? Do you remember verb forms of SARE? Soy, Eres, Es,
Yes,
Somos,
yes.
Sois, Son.
Say eres es
Yeah.
somos soes son.
Okay. Can you now today our task is to describe people. Today our task is to describe people. Now you also know a few adjectives. You can note down those adjectives. Alto, tall. Can you jot down those Can you jot down those adjectives? Just jot down those adjectives. Alto, alta. Jot down as a part of dictation. You might jot it down. alto, alta, tall.
Is the third one alto, alta?
No, alto or alta, male, female counterparts I'm giving. Then gordo, gorda, fat, gordo, gorda, gordo, gorda, fat, viejo, vieja, V-I-E-J-O, viejo,
Old.
old, viejo, vieja. Then you can also specify as far as describing people is concerned, you can describe the profession of that. What I am going to do, I am going to show you a few famous Hispanics and you have to describe them. As a part of that exercise, you will have to tell me what is their profession, then their nationality, their physical appearance. These are some of the things. Also, you can note down three more things. Tiene bigote. Tiene means he has or she has. T-I-E-N-E. Tiene. Tiene. Bigote. B-I-G-O-T-E. Bigote means mustache. Bigote. Tiene. Yes.
TNA means?
Tiene means he has or she has. Bigote means mustache. B-I-G-O-T-E. B-I-G-O-T-E. Bigote means mustache.
But
Then,
for a female, it will be tiena,
yeah,
no?
No, TNA. It's a verb form. Verb form won't change as per the gender of the subject. That's what I clarified. In some of the languages only, apart from tense and subject, the gender changes the verb form. But Spanish is definitely not one of those languages. It doesn't change as per the gender of the subject. So tiene is gender neutral. T-I-E-N-E, tiene. Tiene bigote. He has mustache. Then tiene gafas. G-A-F-A-S, gafas. Means specs, wearing spectacles.
No, pardon. Repeat that.
TNA, same verb, TNA and gafas. G-A-F-A-S, gafas. Gafas means spectacles. And last one is barba. Barba means beard. B-A-R-B-A, barba. B-A-R-B-A, barba, beard. You can also specify the nationality. If since we are dealing with Hispanics, the major nationalities will be Espanol, Española, Colombiano, Colombiana, Mexicano, Mexicana, then Venezolano, Venezuela. Okay. Profesiones, you already know. Hope you already know profesiones.
Yeah, it was in the
Sí.
You already know. I don't think any. Yeah. Okay. Okay, one by one. Let's start with Kurlekar, Abhishek Kurlekar, if I'm not wrong. Abhishek Kurlekar. Está Ali? He's there? Okay. Can you describe? You can say S means he is, she is. And after saying S, you can say his name.
S. Antonio Banderas.
Antonio Banderas. Pero, ¿quién es Antonio Banderas? Who is Antonio Banderas?
Actor.
Okay. Say it in complete sentence.
S. Antonio Banderas.
No, Antonio Banderas. Okay, un momentito. Antonio Banderas is, how will you say is? S. Banderas. S. Actor. Actor.
Antonio Banderas es actor.
Actor. ¿Es español o es mexicano? If you don't know, you can say no sé.
No sé.
No sé. ¿Es español? Anybody can tell me. ¿Es español o es mexicano o es colombiano o es venezolano, es francés, es inglés?
Es italiano.
Es italiano. ¿Es verdad?
Es español.
Es
Español.
mexicano.
Es mexicano. Vale. Ok.
Español.
Español.
Pues.
Español. Ok. Ok. Español. Más cosas. ¿Es alto o es bajo? Alto, tall. Bajo.
Alto.
No. Let Abhishek complete it. ¿Es alto o es bajo?
Antonio Banderas es alto.
Es alto. ¿Es viejo o es joven? ¿Es viejo o es joven?
Viejo.
Es viejo. Say it, es viejo.
Es viejo.
You can skip everything, but you can never skip a verb. Okay? So verb is the most important part.
Sí.
Es viejo. Vale, vale. ¿Tiene gafas o no tiene
What,
gafas?
what is viejo?
Viejo significa old.
Old.
Okay.
Viejo o joven. Joven significa young. Entonces,
Sorry.
¿tiene gafas o no tiene gafas? ¿Tiene gafas?
So, tiene what we if I want to say that he
Okay.
don't use
Okay,
spectacles or he
okay,
don't
okay,
have
okay.
any
Vale,
spectacles.
vale. But tell me if there is do, does, and did in Spanish. Is there do, does, and did in Spanish? Is there?
But we have TNN. We
Okay. How do
we
you
don't have
negate?
to use.
Yeah, true. That's very true. But how do you negate a particular action? Do you need do, does, did in Spanish?
No.
No. What do you do? Just put no in front of the verb form.
Okay.
Huh?
Tiene no.
No tiene in front of, ahead of the verb form. No
Before
tiene.
that. Okay.
Yeah.
No tiene gafas.
Vale. ¿Tiene barba o no tiene barba? Barba, a beard.
No tiene barba.
¿Tiene bigote o no tiene bigote?
No tiene bigote.
Vale, vale. Entonces, I'll move to the next slide. Okay. Aditya Bijur, am I right? ¿De quién es el turno? Whose turn is that? ¿De quién es el turno? Whose turn is that? Aditya Bijur. ¿Está presente o está ausente? Aditya Bijur. ¿Está Sally? Are you there? Oh, no está Ali. Okay, who is the next one after Aditya? Who is the next
Ajay
one?
here.
Ajay. Okay, Ajay. ¿Cómo se llama esta persona? ¿Cómo se llama? Dígame, tell me, nombre de esta persona. Nombre de esta persona. ¿Sabes el nombre de esta persona? Do you know the name of this person?
Sí. Es Che Guevara.
Che Guevara.
Che Guevara.
Es Che Guevara. Vale. ¿Quién es Che Guevara? ¿Quién es Che Guevara? Has anybody seen the Motorcycle Diaries? Has anybody seen the movie Motorcycle Diaries?
No es.
¿Sí? ¿Sí o no?
No.
No.
Colombian
Vale.
rebel.
Okay. Can you hear me? Can
Yes.
you hear me?
Sí.
Sí. Che Guevara es actor.
Actor.
No,
Dios mío.
communist.
Okay. Actually, he was a doctor. As a doctor, medico. Okay, we are sticking to the present tense. So he was initially, he has enrolled himself for a medical course, but then he became a revolucionario. Forget it. It's a big word, revolucionario. But what does ¿Qué dice Che Guevara? ¿Qué dice Che Guevara? What does he say? ¿Podría por favor leer
Hasta la victoria siempre.
Okay, till the victory always. Till we achieve the victory always. Okay. ¿Tiene barba o no tiene barba?
Sí, sí.
¿Podría por favor completar la frase?
Tiene barba.
Tiene barba. ¿Tiene bigote? ¿Tiene bigote?
Bigote. Sí. Tiene bigote.
Bigote, bigote.
Bigote.
Bigote, bigote.
Bigote.
Bigote. ¿Es español, es mexicano, es argentino o es venezolano? ¿Sabes su nacionalidad?
Es México, no.
No es mexicano, no es mexicano. Who can tell?
No es
mexicano, no es mexicano. Entonces, no es español, es argentino, es argentino. ¿Argentino?
Es argentino.
Sí, de Argentina. Vale. ¿Es joven o es viejo? ¿Es joven o es viejo?
Es joven.
Es joven.
Joven.
He was killed in Bolivia by CIA as per the unofficial or official records, whatever. He was killed by CIA in Bolivia. He was the one who fought for independence of South America along with Fidel Castro. But, he's more famous than Diego Maradona.
Yeah.
Even in Latin America. That says a lot about Che Guevara.
You should show the popular photograph with the cap, beret cap.
I'll show you. I'll give you the movie if you want. I have the movie Motorcycle Diaries. But you should see the movie, his philosophy and everything. He was a revolutionario, and the movie is worth watching. But even in Kerala, you find his poster.
Yeah, I was about to say that, Saji.
Yeah, Sheshaji, am I right? Yeah, you must have seen Che Guevara.
Yeah, everywhere.
Yeah. And he was very famous, very youthful, a revolutionary par excellence, and he's still very popular, although he died. Vale. Next one.
Sir, I want to ask one question.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, what is the word for rebellion?
Revolucionario. 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 Revolucionario.
Gracias.
Okay.
Una duda,
Famous, famoso.
Prasad ji.
Famoso.
Una duda.
Dígame.
How do you say that last name in Spanish? Che
Guevara. G plus U together pronounced as G.
Okay.
G plus U together
Okay.
pronounced as G.
Guevara. It's not Guevara, right?
No.
Okay.
Guevara.
Thank you.
Che Guevara.
Por favor.
Okay. ¿Quién es esta persona? ¿Quién es esta persona? ¿Sabes? Es Cristóbal Colón. Columbus. ¿Podría por favor explicar? ¿Podría por favor darme la información sobre Cristóbal Colón? ¿Quién es Cristóbal Colón? Navegador. Es navegador. Navigator you can say. Or explorador. You find this word navegador in Spanish operating system. Internet Explorer or a navigator. Explorador. But ¿es joven o es viejo? Whose turn is that? After Ajay, I think Manju or who is there? Yes, Jitendra is there after Ajay, or who is there?
Sí, sir. So, es Columbus. Columbus es navegador.
Okay, es Cristóbal Colón. They never say Columbus. They say Cristóbal Colón.
Cristóbal Colón. Es navegador. Navegador. Okay.
Es navegador.
Yeah.
¿Es joven o es viejo? En esta foto.
Es es viejo.
Es viejo.
But he's
Vale.
dead, isn't it? Don't you? We can't
Yeah,
put.
died long back.
Yeah, but
In 1492 he discovered USA.
yeah, but Viejo is old, right?
Yeah. He's
Old
already
mean-
dead. He's already dead. Okay. Muerto. Forget it. I'm asking just for the sake of asking to describe a particular person.
I see. Okay.
¿Tiene barba o no tiene barba? ¿Tiene barba o no tiene barba? ¿Tiene barba? Beard o no tiene barba?
No.
No tiene barba.
No.
Tiene barba.
No tiene barba.
Vale. ¿Quién es esta persona? Do you know this person? Se llama Diego Velázquez. Diego Velázquez. And his painting Las Meninas was adjudged as the best painting of the millennium, not by some SMS call. It was adjudged as the best by art connoisseurs in London. So his Las Meninas is the one most famous painting.
Can you type the name in chat?
Yeah. After a while, please allow me to type it after a while.
Okay.
Las Meninas, LAS, Las Meninas, MENINAS, Las Meninas. Okay, who can describe him? At the time, Spain produced painters like Pablo Picasso, Miro, Diego Velázquez, and the next one is famous because of Sushant Singh Rajput. Do you remember Goya? So of these four most famous painters, Velázquez won the competition. His painting was adjudged as the best one. Of course, there is Pablo Picasso's La Guernica, but still Velázquez scored over Pablo Picasso. Las Meninas. Remember it? Okay. Who can describe?
Sí.
Okay. Velázquez. Can you say? ¿Podrían por favor decir las palabras? Velázquez. Diego Velázquez. Velázquez. Okay. ¿Quién es esta persona? Whose turn is that? Jitendra? I think Jitendra finished it. So, whose turn is next?
Mine, sir, I think.
Okay, Manju, Senora Manju, if I'm not wrong. Okay. ¿Podría por favor describir? ¿Podría por favor describir? Could you please describe? ¿Quién es?
TNS, no gafas.
Okay, un momento. I'm asking you, who is? ¿Quién es esta persona? Who is this person? Por ejemplo, es Pablo Picasso, es Diego Maradona, something similar you have to say.
So can you tell the name in writing? It's not easy to remember.
Velázquez.
They typed it.
Where do I type
Velázquez.
Velázquez. V-E-L-A-Z.
Velázquez. Okay.
V-E-L-A-Z-Q-U-E-Z. Velázquez.
Velázquez.
Yeah. Velázquez.
Es llama Velázquez.
Se llama Velázquez.
Se llama Velázquez.
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 ¿Tiene barba?
Sí. Tiene barba.
¿Tiene bigote?
Sí.
Dígame en frase completa. Tell me in complete sentences. ¿Tiene bigote o no tiene bigote?
Tiene bigote.
¿Es joven o es viejo?
Es joven. Es viejo.
Viejo. Tiene el pelo negro. Tiene el pelo. Hair. He has black hair. Entonces, es joven.
He's young. He's young.
Es
joven.
He's
young.
Okay.
Joven.
Dígame su profesión. Es
Es
Pintor.
Pictor,
Pintor,
painter.
pintor,
Pictor. Pictor.
Es colombiano, es venezolano, es alemán, es francés o es español.
Es español.
Español. Vale. We move ahead to the next one. Okay, I think everybody knows this person. ¿Cómo se llama esta persona? ¿Cómo se llama esta persona? I think Ninad is there. Am I right? After Manju, Ninad's turn is
Yes, sir, but I don't know what I have to do.
there. Okay. ¿Quién es esta persona? ¿Quién es esta persona? Who is this person? ¿Cómo se llama? For example, es Velázquez, es Pablo Picasso, es Diego Maradona. Like that. The name is written over it.
S. Henry Q.
Enrique.
Enrique.
Uh,
Iglesias.
Es Enrique Iglesias. Pero, dígame su profesión. ¿Es pintor? ¿Es actor? ¿Es cantante? Cantante significa singer. ¿Es futbolista? ¿Es escritor? ¿Es tenista? Dígame su profesión. Enrique Iglesias.
Es actor.
¿Es actor? ¿Es verdad? Is it true?
What?
No, he's
Es cantante.
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 Canto,
Es cantante. ¿Es cantante famoso o no es famoso?
Es cantante.
Famoso, is he famous singer?
Yes. Sí.
¿Sí o no? ¿Sí?
Sí.
Sí. Vale. ¿Es viejo o es joven? ¿Es viejo o es joven?
Joven.
Es joven.
Es joven.
Es joven. Dígame su nacionalidad. Anybody knows his nationality? Dígame su nacionalidad.
No.
No. ¿Quién puede? Okay. Who can tell me his nationality? Anybody knows his nationality? Enrique Iglesias.
No sé.
Español.
Español.
Spain. Español.
Vale. ¿Tiene barba? ¿Tiene gafas? ¿Tiene bigote?
¿Es mexicano?
¿Es mexicano?
¿Mexicano?
Really? ¿Es mexicano? I don't think so.
Español.
Es español.
Español.
Vale. Vale, vale. ¿Tiene gafas o no tiene gafas? Minat, ¿tiene gafas o no tiene gafas? Gafas
Uno tiene gafas.
No tiene
No.
gafas.
No.
Tiene gafas. No tiene gafas. Vale. ¿Quién es esta persona? Fernando. Se llama Fernando Alonso. Fernando Alonso. Anybody knows this? Fernando Alonso. Those who are diehard fans of F1 car racing may know that. Fernando Alonso.
Yeah.
Okay. Dígame su profesión. Dígame su profesión. ¿Es actor, es pintor, es escritor, es futbolista o es conductor? Whose turn is that? After Ninad? After Ninad perhaps comes
Prachi.
Yeah,
Prachi. Okay, Senora Prachi, can you say a little bit about him? He's F1
yeah,
car,
Formula One.
Formula 1 driver. So the word for driver is conductor. Es
Conductor.
Vale, vale. ¿Es joven o es viejo? ¿Es joven o es viejo?
Es viejo.
Es viejo. He looks old.
Es joven. Es joven.
Es joven. Vale. ¿Es francés o es español? ¿Es francés o es alemán? ¿O es español?
Español. Es español.
Es español. Es español. ¿Tiene barba?
Barbar is what?
Barba, beard. ¿Tiene barba o no tiene barba?
No.
No tiene barba.
No tiene barba.
¿Tiene gafas o no tiene gafas? ¿Tiene gafas o no tiene gafas?
Gafas is
Specs.
no gafas.
No tiene gafas.
No tiene gafas.
Vale. Forget it. Okay. Those of my generation may remember Gabriela Sabatini. Es Argentina, es tenista, es vieja. Now she's old. Es vieja. Es guapa. Looks beautiful. Más es Argentina. Then es tenista muy famosa. Next, move to the next one. Okay, is the one. ¿Cómo se llama? Anybody knows name of this person? Anybody knows? Se llama Gabriel Garcia Marquez. Okay, you are from Toastmasters Club, so you may have read some of his books. I think Penguin has translated his works. Gabriel Garcia Marquez won a Nobel Prize for Literature. Okay, so could you please his okay. I think after
Prajakta.
Okay, podría por favor describir a esta persona? Could you please describe him with respect to alto, gordo, viejo, nationality, profession, bigote, gafas, barba, joven, viejo, all these things. Make a nice presentation.
Yes, sir. First, I should say he is right. S. Gabriel Marquez.
Okay.
Then
Alto, gordo, you cannot say much about him. I don't know.
Yeah.
But es joven o es viejo? Es joven o es viejo?
Es viejo.
¿Tiene barba? ¿Tiene barba o no tiene barba?
No tiene barba. No.
¿Tiene bigote? ¿Tiene bigote?
Tiene bigote.
Sí, tiene bigote.
Sí, tiene bigote.
Gafas? ¿Tiene gafas o no tiene gafas?
No tiene gafas.
Vale. ¿Es español, es mexicano o es colombiano? ¿Sabes?
Es colombiano.
Muy bien, es colombiano. Es ganador de premio Nobel. Es ganador de premio Nobel. Winner of Nobel Prize de literatura. No sé el año, pero es ganador de premio Nobel. Más cosas. Es muy famoso. Es muy famoso. And dígame su profesión. Dígame su profesión. Profesión. Es actor, es escritor, es poeta o es cantante. Es escritor, es cantante, es actor, actriz, es actor o es futbolista, tenista. Dígame a qué se dedica. I mean, what is his profession? Dígame su profesión. Es escritor, writer.
Right.
¿Vale?
Writer.
Yeah.
Es escritor.
Es escritor. Vale. Okay. Who can describe her? We haven't described the lady as yet. So who can describe? Whose turn is that? ¿De quién es el turno? Siguiente.
Pramod.
Señor Pramod, ¿podría por favor describir a esta mujer?
Es Jennifer Lopez.
Jennifer Lopez.
Jennifer Lopez, yeah.
Sí. Ok, dígame su profesión. ¿Es actor o es cantante o es tenista? Jennifer Lopez.
Jennifer Lopez.
¿Quién puede ayudar a Pramod? ¿Quién puede ayudar a Pramod? Who can help? Help. ¿Quién puede ayudar a Pramod?
Actor.
Es
Actriz.
Actriz y
vale.
cantante.
Actriz y cantante, muy bien. Vale, dígame su nacionalidad. Prasad. Prasad, what is your nationality?
Mexican.
You're asking me?
Yeah, I'm asking Prasad Soni.
Oh, okay.
Prasad, what is your nationality?
Mexican.
Jennifer Lopez.
I
Mexicano.
think she's American.
American.
By origin, by birth, I think she's Mexican. Now she has settled in USA. Estado Unidense.
American.
You can say Mexicana.
She was born in New York. She was born in New York.
Okay. Vale.
Americano.
Her parents migrated there and then she was born there.
Okay. ¿Es guapa o es fea? ¿Es guapa, pretty o fea? Fea.
Fair.
No.
Guapa. The word is guapa.
Guapa is?
Guapa means
beautiful.
Pretty. Okay, guapa.
She is Puerto Rican, by the way. Puerto Rico.
Puerto
Rican.
Puerto Ricania, you can say. Puerto Ricania. I think Ricky Martin is also Puerto Rican.
Parents were Puerto Rican. She was born in America anyway.
Yeah. And Puerto Rico has a very interesting.
It's kind of US anyway. Yeah, it's a different subject altogether.
Yeah.
We'll talk about that someday.
Yeah. Okay. Dígame. Ahora, ¿de quién es el turno? Siguiente. ¿De quién es el turno? Is the last one in our list.
Prasad Limaye.
Now it's me? Yeah.
You know it. You know him. That's why I'm asking you to say about him.
Yes.
Okay. ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama? Por ejemplo,
es Diego Maradona.
Diego Maradona. Vale. Pero ¿quién es Diego Maradona? ¿Es actor? ¿Es escritor? ¿Es cantante? ¿O es tenista? ¿O
No, please repeat that.
Dígame su profesión. Dígame su profesión. Es futbolista. Es futbolista. Dígame una cosa. ¿Es gordo o es delgado? ¿Es gordo o es delgado? Gordo, fat.
Es gordo.
Es gordo. Vale. Sí, es verdad. Now is more like a football. Okay, vale. Dígame su nacionalidad. ¿Es español o es mexicano o es uruguayo o es argentino?
Es argentino.
Dígame una cosa. ¿Quién es más famoso, Diego Maradona o Pelé? ¿Quién es más famoso en Sudamérica, Latinoamérica? ¿Quién es más famoso?
Pelé.
Pelé es más famoso, more famous. Pelé es más famoso en la Sudamérica, ¿verdad?
Sí.
¿Verdad?
Sí. Yeah.
Sí.
Pelé is more famous.
Sí.
But Argentina, it's Maradona who is more famous. The rest of the countries in South America, Pelé is more famous. And he was contemporary. He was later on, so he is nearer to the time that we are talking about, nearer time frame.
Yeah, ¿qué hay de Lionel Messi? ¿Quién en Argentina, quién es más famoso estos días? ¿Diego Maradona o Lionel Messi?
Lionel Messi.
Okay. Vale. Es futbolista, es muy famoso en Sudamérica, especialmente en Argentina. Es gordo, ahora es argentino, más cosas, es futbolista, basta. Es muy famoso. I think with this we end how we should describe people. That's about describing people.
Now I have to say no tiene barba, no tiene gafas, no tiene bigote.
No tiene bigote. But he had a golden hand. Yeah. Those who know football know what I mean. He had a golden hand. Yeah. Okay. Basta con eso. Entonces, we move on to next part. Have you covered, last time we covered AR verbs. Some
Yeah.
of the conjugations of verbs we covered. Can you see this?
See.
Yeah.
Can
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
See.
Okay. I think up to escuchar or descansar, empujar, dibujar. I think we had covered up to dibujar. Can now whose turn is that? Next one. Who can tell me conjugation of the next word?
Prashant.
So that
So Pratiksha now.
Pratiksha now. After dibujar,
Esperar.
esperar.
Pratiksha, are you there? Pratiksha Patil.
Okay. Next one.
After Pratiksha, it will be Prerana.
Prerana. Can you conjugate espera?
Yes, sir.
You just have to remove the AR part and add o, as, a, amos, ais, an.
Oh, yes, sir.
Prasad, you can make that box like last time and keep it there.
Okay.
Should I start, sir?
Yeah.
Please. Here I have provided the endings. And,
Okay.
what I would say, stay tuned to these endings. O, as, a, amos, ais, an.
Okay.
There is a purpose why I am saying this.
Hmm.
So stick to that.
Esperao.
Okay, one moment. So remove this AR part first.
Espero.
Huh?
Esperas.
Huh?
Espera.
Huh?
Esperamos.
Huh?
Esperamos.
Then?
Esperáis. Esperan.
Esperar. Vale. Esperar, to wait, to hope.
Sandeep, are you there, Sandeep? Sandeep is not there probably. So we'll move to Sanika. I don't see Sanika here as well today.
Just remove the AR tag. Remember, remove
Sanjana.
the AR tag.
Sanjana,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Firmar,
You have to conjugate this verb, firmar,
Yes, sir. Firmo,
firmo,
firmas,
firma.
firma, firmamos, firmais, firman.
Perfecto. Tomar, to take.
next is Seshadri.
Remove the identification tag. Remove the
Tomo,
identification.
Tomas, Toma, Tomamos, Tomais, Toman.
Vale. Tomaste o café, señor Sheshadri. Tomaste o café. Tomaste o café.
Thomas, sorry.
Tomaste o café.
What does that mean? Sorry.
Tomás.
Tomás.
Té o café. Té o café. You take tea or coffee.
Oh, okay. Tomo te.
Tomo té. Vale, vale. Y los indios, ¿qué toman? Por lo general, en general, los indios, ¿qué toman? ¿Qué toman? ¿Té o café? Por ejemplo, en Maharashtra, ¿qué toman por lo general? ¿Qué toman los indios por lo general? ¿Té o café? Los indios.
Vale.
Los indios.
Te.
Te.
Yeah, that's true. But I'm not interested in te or cafe. I'm interested in knowing which verb form will you use. Los
Toman.
indios. Okay, muy bien, muy bien. Los indios is third person plural. Anything apart from I, we, and you is third person. So los indios is third person plural. So if a question is posed in third person, you need not worry about the verb form. Just pick up that verb from the question itself and put it in the answer. That's all. So toman te or toman cafe.
Toman te.
Toman te. Siguiente, examinar. Next one.
Sonali.
Yeah. Examino. Examinas. Examina. Examinamos. Examináis. Examinan.
Perfecto, muy bien. Desayunar. To take breakfast.
Vikram.
Señor Vikram.
Sí.
Desayunar. Remove the AR part first.
Yeah. Desayuno, desayunas, desayuna, desayunamos,
Desayunamos.
yunamos, desayunamos, desayunáis, desayunaan.
Desayunas cada día. Desayunas cada día, every day. Cada means every. Desayunas cada día o no desayunas? Take breakfast every day.
Yes, desayuno omelette.
Desayuno omelette. Vale. ¿Cómo se dice omelette en español? There is one famous dish. Tortilla. Tortilla. Okay. Similar to omelette. Okay, vale, vale. Cocinar. Next one, cook.
Vilas. Vilas.
Vilas. Señor Vilas.
Cocino, cocinas, cocina, cocinamos, cocinaes, cocinan.
Vale. ¿Cocinas el domingo? You cook on Sunday? ¿Cocinas
No.
el domingo?
No, no, no.
Entonces,
No.
dígame en frase completa. ¿Cocinas o no cocinas el domingo? ¿Cocinas? You cook on Sunday or you don't cook?
No, no cocino.
No cocino. Nunca. Never. Nunca.
No, never. Never, never.
No, vale, vale. Entonces, siguiente, funcionar.
Abhishek.
Funciono, funcionas, funciona, funcionamos, funcionáis, funcionan.
Funciona. Vale. Siguiente, planchar, to press.
planchao,
Un momentito.
Plan-
Remove the identification tag. Okay. आप जैसे
planchao,
आप जैसे शर्ट खरीदी करने के बाद वो प्राइस टैग निकालते हो ना, वैसा ये प्राइस टैग निकालना चाहिए. ठीक है. प्राइस टैग निकालने के बाद ही तुम शर्ट वेयर कर सकते हो. सिमिलरली रिमूव दिस आइडेंटिफिकेशन टैग फर्स्ट. AR पार्ट रिमूव करो एंड ये एंडिंग्स ऐड करो. Plancho. Shall I give you?
plancho,
हाँ.
planchas,
Planchas.
plancha,
Plancha.
planchomos,
Planchamos.
Planchamos.
planchamos,
हाँ.
plancháis,
Plancháis.
planchan,
Planchar. Perfecto. Entonces, cenar, to dine.
Ashok. Ashok is not there. Then we'll move to Jitendra. Are you there, Jitendra?
Sí, sí. Ceno, cenas, cena, cenamos, cenáis, cenan.
Vale. ¿A qué hora cenas? ¿A qué hora cenas? At what time do you dine? Por ejemplo, a las
9.
Ok, dígame en frase completa. En frase completa. Incomplete sentence. Tell me incomplete sentence.
Me.
No, there is no such word as me. Don't use that. You have the only option left with you. These verb forms are in
Okay.
noun and preposition.
Okay.
Por ejemplo, a las 8, a las 9, a las 10, a las 11, a las 12.
So okay. So it's Sina. Correct. Singular. Singular.
This is the first row is that of first person singular and first person plural. This O corresponds to I die. For example, seno means I dine, senamos we dine, senas you dine, senais you all dine, sena means he dines, she dines. And
so senas, correct. You, it's for me.
I am asking you.
Yeah.
सेनास, तो तुम क्या कहोगे? मैं डिनर लेता हूँ या तुम डिनर लेते हो? क्या कहोगे अगर मैं आपको पूछूं?
Seno.
Seno.
Pero
seno. ¿A qué hora? At what time? A las 8, a las 9, a las 10, a las 11.
Perdone.
A las.
Perdón.
¿Qué significa a las 8? 8 o'clock. A las
9.
A las 9.
Yeah. A las 9.
¿Cada día? Every day. Cada día.
Sí.
Every day. Vale.
Sí.
Sí. Vale. Entonces pagar. Next one.
Sir, it's my turn.
Manju. Yes.
Manju.
Yes. Yeah. Pago.
Muy bien.
Pagas. Paga. Pagamos. Pagáis. Pagan.
Pagan. Perfecto. Muy bien. Siguiente.
Yes, sir.
Ninad.
Preparar.
Preparo.
Remove this.
Preparo. Preparas. Prepara. Preparamos. Preparáis. Preparan.
Preparan.
One danger here, if you just habitually remove all ARs, then you will say prepo, but that's not correct. Preparo. Remove AR only once, not twice.
ठीक है. Next one. Presenta. Remove करो AR.
Present.
Prachi.
Present. Presento, presentas, presenta, presentamos, presentáis, presentan.
Bueno, muy bien. Levantar, to lift.
Yes, sir. Levanto, levantas, levanta, levantamos, levantáis, levantan, levantan.
Levantan los pesos en un gimnasio. Levantas pesos en el gimnasio. Levantas pesos. You lift weights en el gimnasio. Gymnasium. Levantas pesos. You lift. O no levantas pesos.
No levanto.
No levanto. Explicar siguiente. Explicar to explain.
Yes. So Pramod here.
Okay.
Explico. Explicamos. Sorry. Explicas. Explica. Explicamos. Explicáis. Explican.
Vale. Explico bien español. I'm asking you about me, about myself. Explico bien. Do I explain well? O tiene problemas. Tiene problemas. O explico bien. Do I explain well? Explico bien o no explico bien. I'm asking you about me.
So
bien.
As and explico.
Okay, I'm asking you. Explico bien o no explico bien.
Explico bien. Sorry, explica bien.
Okay, explic. What do you want to say in English?
You explain.
So how would you say? You के लिए क्या है form?
As.
I say. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, explicas bien. You have to say.
Explicas bien.
Muchas gracias. Entonces sacar. You can tell me sacar. It's a very easy one.
Projecta.
Yeah.
No, projecta राहिली ना मगाशी. Or has she completed? Are you there, Prajakta?
Yes, sir. I have
आत्ताच्या राऊंडला
completed, sir.
Okay, then Prasad Limay.
Sakar.
Yeah. Saco, sacas, saca, sacamos, sacáis, sacan.
Perfecto, muy bien. Buscar, siguiente.
Yes, sir.
Pratiksha is still not there.
Busco.
Prerna.
Busco, buscas, busca, buscamos, buscáis, buscan.
Perfecto, muy bien. Enviar, to send. Now you will see verbs ending in IAR. All the verbs are ending in AR. These are essentially AR verbs, but still I have added one more to the vowel to add to the complexities. But still you should be able to say the pronunciation, to say the conjugation correctly. NVR. I want to know how you pronounce it.
Sanjana. Sanjana.
Yes, sir.
Don't touch I. Don't touch I. Just remove this AR part. Huh?
Okay. Envío,
Huh?
envías, envía, enviamos, enviáis, envían.
Perfecto, muy bien. Siguiente, cambiar.
Seshadri.
Cambio, cambias, cambia, cambiamos, cambiáis, cambian.
Perfecto. Muy bien. Estudiar.
Sonali.
Yeah. Estudio, estudias, estudia, estudiamos, estudias, estudian. Estudiáis. Estudian.
¿Estudias cada día o no estudias español cada día, every day? ¿Estudias español cada día?
Estudio español
No.
cada día.
Estudio español cada día. Vale. Limpiar, to clean. Remove the AR part. Next one.
Next is Vikram.
Limpio, limpias, limpia, limpiamos, limpiáis, limpian.
Perfecto, muy bien. Siguiente, llevar, to carry, to wear. Huh? You can tell me. Señor Vilas, I think.
Vilas, yeah.
Igual. Levo,
Levo.
levas, lewa, levamos, levais, lewan.
Perfecto, muy bien. Llegar, to arrive. Again, which start with Kurlekar, Abhishek Kurlekar.
Liego, liegas, liega, liegamos, liegais, liegan.
Perfecto. Siguiente, liorar, to cry. Okay. Aditya
Ajay. Bijul is not here. Ajay Patil.
Okay.
Liogal.
Oh, no.
Liogado.
I'll say the original word. Liorar. Remove the AR part. Huh? Liorar. Lioro. Shall I give you read? Lioro. Okay. Now say the next part.
Liodo. Liodas.
Huh?
Liora.
Liora.
Liodamas.
Lioramos.
Liodamos.
Huh?
Liodas. Lioden.
Liorais. Lioran. Okay, I'll say it once again. Lioro. Lioras. Liora. Lioramos. Liorais. Lioran. Double L is pronounced as Leo. Okay. Siguiente, lienar. To fill.
Jitendra.
Usara. Jitendra Usara.
Sí. Lieno,
Huh?
Lienos,
Lienas.
Liena,
Huh?
Lienamos, Lienais, Lienan.
Perfecto, muy bien. Lieno, lienas, liena, lienamos. Okay. Liamar. Remember this word? It's very helpful verb. Come across it often. Liamar. Remove this AR part first.
Manju.
Liamo, liamas, liama, liamos, liamais, and liaman. Liamamos, liamais, liaman.
Liaman. Muy bien. Vale. Siguiente, desear. Now this word ending EAR. Okay, so take care. Don't remove this E. Okay. Okay, desea.
Okay. Deseo,
Ah,
deseas,
ah,
desea,
perfecto.
deseamos, deseáis, desean.
Perfecto, muy bien. Formatear.
Formateo,
Ah,
formateas, formatea, formateamos, formateáis, formatean.
perfecto, muy bien. It is one of the most difficult ones to pronounce. Okay,
Project.
regatear.
Yes,
Regatear.
sir.
Project.
Yes, sir. Regateo, regateas, regatea, regateamos, regateáis, regatean.
Perfecto. Now, below this verb list, I have asked a few questions. So one by one, students will answer. Wherever you feel you don't know the vocab, feel free to ask me. Vocab is not the focal point of this question answer session. The main focal point of this is you should be able to conjugate the verbs properly. You should understand what they have asked and accordingly you should answer. Now, if you have read or if you listen to the audio files I sent, or if you have gone through the recordings, you will come to know there is one very important thing. You should stay tuned. You should stay tuned to o, as, amos, ais, an. Now the trick is that say answering the trick in you should, whenever I say as, you should answer O. Whenever I say ice, you should answer amos. That is the trick. And if it doesn't end in as or ice, then if I ask the question in ending with a, you should answer, you should keep it as it is. थर्ड पर्सन का जवाब थर्ड पर्सन ही रहेगा, सेकंड पर्सन का जवाब फर्स्ट पर्सन में आएगा, सेकंड पर्सन सिंगुलर का जवाब फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर में आएगा, सेकंड पर्सन प्लूरल का जवाब फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लूरल में आएगा. यानी कि आस का जवाब ओ आएगा, आइस का जवाब आमोस आएगा, आ का जवाब आ ही रहेगा, आन का जवाब आन ही रहेगा. So keep that in mind and stay tuned to those things. Even if I don't display the screen right now, only by listening to what I am saying, you should be able to answer. The trick is to focus on the terminal part of the conjugated verb form. Okay, whose turn is that next? The KNSL turno.
Pramod, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. If I ask you fumas or no fumas, fumas or no fumas, ask
No.
Huh?
Yeah. As है तो o fumo.
Fumo. I mean, you can say no fumo or fumo, whatever your choice.
Yeah.
Or fumo, vale.
Fumo.
Okay, vale. Siguiente, muy bien.
Prasad Lima has gone out, so yes. Prasad Lima has gone out for 5 minutes, so we will take his question later on. Meanwhile, we'll move to Prerana.
Okay. Can make an appropriate change. Okay. Can you read the next question, Prerana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Envías email a tu novio.
Okay. I'm asking you this question. Envías email a tu novio. Now today's WhatsApp is there, so I can just replace my email by mensaje envías.
What is that sound? Can you please mute yourself, whoever is making that sound?
Okay, envías mensaje WhatsApp a tu novio. Mensaje WhatsApp message. Envías mensaje WhatsApp a tu novio. How would you answer? Remember one thing. Just focus on the terminal part. Change it to whichever form is necessary and keep rest of the parts same. Okay, except one thing. Tu के जगह ni आएगा. Okay.
Sir, can you repeat that, por favor?
Yeah. I'll repeat it. You just have to change envías. Envías is which form? Second person singular, third person plural, first person plural,
Second.
Single person. Do you send message to your boyfriend? So you can say yes, I sent, or you can say no, no send. Okay, in Spanish there is no, do, does, did. So you can say just put no before the verb form. For example, no fumo, or I say no compro. Okay, like that.
No.
Okay, how would you answer?
No envío.
No envío.
Mensaje WhatsApp a tu.
Okay, it's not sending WhatsApp message to my boyfriend. It's to your boyfriend. To my boyfriend, you will say. Am I right? Do you send
Yes.
message to your do you send WhatsApp message to your boyfriend? I don't send message to my boyfriend. You say. So the only appropriate change you should make is mi novio. Tu ka mi ho jayega. Huh? Remember,
Okay.
the side note, we'll cover those possessive adjectives later on.
Okay. So no envío mensaje WhatsApp a mi novio.
Okay, vale. Muy bien. Siguiente. I have italicized the endings. Please focus on that eyes. Who can read the next question?
I'm back.
Okay, Senior Prasad. Can you read the question and answer it? You are the most
Prasad, can you increase the font, please? This is too small a font.
Okay.
For all questions, I mean. Just select Control A and increase the font for all.
Yeah. Looking. Can you read it now?
Yeah.
Is it readable? Okay.
¿Qué deseáis en la vida?
Okay. I have given you two options. Lea por favor. Siguiente. Read the next part.
Paz e prosperidad o preocupaciones.
Okay. Preocupaciones. ¿Qué deseáis en la vida?
Desire.
Means what is your desire in life?
No. What do you wish?
What do you wish in your life? Whether peace
and
prosperity or worries.
Yeah. Deseáis. आइस आता है यानी कि क्या है? वो सेकंड पर्सन प्लूरल है. Okay. आइस का हमेशा it's addressed to more than one person. You all. It corresponds to you all. Deseáis. Deseo, deseas, desea, deseamos, deseáis, desean. It corresponds to second person plural. So, what you all? What do you wish in life? You all. How would you answer? We wish. You will say. Am I right? We wish. So how would you say?
No, it is asked to me, na? So I will say I am.
No, or deseáis. It's not deseas. Deseáis. Okay. It's not deseas.
Question is asked to all of us.
Yeah. For example, this is addressed to more than one you. Okay. You all. I'm asking this question to you all, and accordingly the verb conjugation is there. Ais. It is not. Had it been to you only, it would have been que deseas. But it's que deseáis en la vida.
So deseamos.
Sí. Perfecto. Muy bien. Deseamos. अब बाकी का
okay. Deseamos. No, what we say for they are.
Just say these two. Out of these two.
Yeah. Deseamos paz y prosperidad.
Paz y prosperidad. Vale.
Why?
Deseamos paz y prosperidad. Paz y prosperidad.
Paz y prosperidad.
Vale. Okay. Next one. Next one. Who is the KNSL turno? I think,
Prerna is done. So Sanjana.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Formatías el disco duro cada mes o cada semana.
Okay. Formateas. As है. As का क्या होता है? O होता है. As का मतलब it's addressed to one single person. A question is asked to you, not you all.
You.
Okay. Had it been you all, it would have been ice. Okay. Vale.
Okay. So what is cada mes mean?
Cada every month. Every month. Semana, week. Cada mes. Every month. Cada semana, every week.
Sir, can you repeat this? Sorry, can you repeat the fourth one again?
Formateas el disco duro cada mes o cada semana. Formateas el disco duro cada mes o cada semana. You format the hard disk every month or every week.
Okay, so can I answer now?
Yeah.
Formateo el disco duro cada mes.
Cada mes. Vale. ¿Es importante formatear el disco duro? I'm asking you, ¿es importante formatear el disco duro? ¿Es importante o no es importante?
Es importante.
Es importante. ¿Es urgente? Is it urgent? You can say anything. ¿Es urgente formatear? If someone asks you, ¿es urgente formatear? How would you answer?
No es urgente.
No es urgente formatear. Remember, just like in English, after impersonal expressions, it is possible to, it is important to, it is urgent to, it is easy to, it is urgent to. All this, after that, the to indicates that verb appears in root form. You don't have to conjugate the part which comes after it is possible, it is important. You don't have to conjugate. Similarly, in Spanish, es posible formatear, es urgente formatear, es importante formatear, es urgente formatear, es posible formatear, all these things. Vale,
Okay.
vale, muy bien. Ok, siguiente.
After Sanjana, it will be Seshadri.
Señor Sheshadri. Ok.
Los indios regatean en el supermercado.
Okay. The Indians. Okay. An indicates its second person plural, third person plural, first person plural.
Means
or
they.
They. Los indios, the Indians. Anything apart from I, we, and you is is third person. Los indios, third person plural. And remember, answer of such questions where the question is asked in third person singular or plural, the verb form remains same. You don't have to change the verb form. Okay. So how would you answer? ¿Qué significa regatear? ¿Qué significa regatear?
No idea.
No idea. Vale. Vamos a ver. Regatear. Regatear to bargain.
Oh.
Okay. Los indios regatean. Los indios regatean en el supermercado. Do the Indians bargain in the supermarket? In the supermarket, I'm saying.
No indios regatean en el supermercado.
Okay, put no before the verb form.
Okay.
First negate by saying no.
No.
And then again put verb form no, the word no before the particular verb form. No.
No regatean.
No regatean en el supermercado. ¿Es posible regatear en el supermercado? ¿Es posible regatear en el supermercado?
No es posible.
¿O no es posible? Vale, vale. Okay, next one.
That's me.
Sonali.
Yeah.
¿Dónde estudias?
¿Dónde-
¿Dónde estudias? Estudias.
¿Dónde,
As है.
¿Dónde estudias?
Okay, as
En,
का O आएगा.
हाँ. So it will be estudio
हाँ.
en la casa.
Estudio en la casa. Vale. ¿Dónde means where? ¿Dónde estudias? Estudio en la biblioteca.
Yeah.
Vale. Or estudio en la casa. Casa significa?
House.
Significa casa. House. Vale. ¿Cuántas horas trabajas en la oficina? Whose turn is next?
Vikram.
Señor Vikram.
¿Cuántas horas trabajas? Trabajas en la oficina.
Okay, trabajar significa to work. How many hours you work in the office?
Okay.
आस आ गया है. आस का ओ होता है, आइस का आमोस होता है, आन का वैसा ही रहता है. Okay.
Yeah, as means you.
Yeah.
As you work. Okay. You say ocho horas.
Ocho horas. Okay.
Ocho horas.
But podría por favor completar la frase. Could you please complete the sentence?
Yeah, 8 horas trabajo en la oficina.
Muy bien, muy bien. In Spanish, you can take the liberty of changing the positions of subject, verb, and object. The meaning won't change. The meaning won't change because there is one-to-one correspondence between subject and the verb form. तुम इधर भी करोगे. Ocho horas en la oficina trabajo. ऐसा किया तो भी चलेगा. En la oficina 8 horas trabajo.
En la oficina 8 horas
trabajo.
trabajo.
It doesn't communicate any other meaning. It communicates only the intended meaning, even if you switch the positions of subject, verb, object. Okay. Okay. And it is. It's not that it is the. It is. This is how it should be. It should be said in. When we say something, but even in written script, it can be. You can take that liberty. Not only while saying it, but even when you write it, you can take that liberty. Okay. Next one. Who is the next one? Vilas.
Vilas.
Yeah. Cantáis en el cuarto de baño. Cantáis.
Cantáis.
Huh?
Yeah. It becomes cantas.
Cantáis is which form?
It's second person plural.
Plural. Okay. You all. Do you all sing? For example, I'm addressing a gathering of hostel boys.
Yeah.
So I'm asking them. Cantáis en el cuarto de baño. Huh?
Cuarto is 4, no?
En el cuarto de baño. Cuarto de baño means bathroom. Remember, cuarto de baño means
Cuarto de baño.
Yeah.
So,
it's one single entity. Cuarto de baño is one single entity meaning bathroom. Okay. Cantáis en el cuarto. You can replace it by baño. En el baño. Cantáis en el baño. How would you answer?
say cantasmos. Cantasmos.
Ais is replaced by amos.
Amos. Yeah.
Amos. How would you say?
Cantasmos en el cuarto baño.
Remove. Ais के बदले amos आएगा.
Yeah. Cantamos en el cuarto de baño.
Okay, cantamos
en el cuarto de baño.
Cuarto de baño. Vale. Next one. Charlais en internet. Next one, I think Abhishek. Charlais en internet. For example, you two are a part of the hostelites. Okay. I'm asking the hostelites, all the hostelites, Charlais en internet. You all chat on net.
So it will be changed to Amos. Carlamos in internet.
Okay. Con quién?
With whom means?
With whom do you chat?
Okay.
Con means with. You can just replace quien by friends. Con mi padre, con mi madre, con mi hermano. You know the relations. Con mi hermana. Okay. Con mi abuelo. Con mi madre. Okay.
Con mi madre.
Okay. But charlais. Okay. Con quien. Okay. Forget it. Charlamos en internet.
Charlamos en internet. Con mi madre.
Okay. Not you all chat. We all chat with mother. Okay, it's different. Con quien would mean with whom means there is more than one person. So ideally, I was expecting with friends. Con amigos. Okay, con amigos.
Con mi amigos.
Okay, there are more than one person is chatting on the net. Okay. और 6 या 7 लड़के नेट पे चैटिंग कर रहे हैं तो अकेले आपकी माँ के साथ या और किसी एक व्यक्ति के साथ वो चैट नहीं कर सकते ना तो con amigos you can say like that
con amigos
con amigos or con novias con novios boyfriends girlfriends they are chatting with the boyfriends girlfriends vale next siguiente Aditya is not there Ajay I think is there cuánto ganas por mes I think you can say anything. It's not asking some confidential information. You can say anything you want. Cuánto ganas? Ganas means to earn. Cuánto ganas por mes? How much do you earn por mes? Por mes per month. Huh? For example, you can say, you know numbers up to 99. Okay, so you can say mil significa 1,000. So you can say 30,000, 40,000 or 50,000 rupias por mes, like that you can say. But more important than that, गानास का वो फॉर्म चेंज करना पड़ेगा, आस का ओ हो जाएगा. Am I right? So how would you answer?
See. Me, Gana, Gana, so.
There is no me. Just say Gano. Gano will take care of everything.
Okay. Gano, for mass.
30,000, 40,000, 30,000, 30,000, 40,000, 40,000, 50,000,
40.
40 mil means 1,000.
Mens, yeah. 40 mens.
40 mil significa 1,000. 40 mil
Min.
rupias por mes.
40 men.
Yeah, 40
Rupias.
Rupias por mes, per month. Yeah, you can say. Okay. Next one, de donde, from where sacas el dinero? De un banco o de un cajero. Cajero significa ATM. Whose turn is that?
Me, sir. Is it me?
Yeah. De donde, from where sacas el dinero? From where you withdraw the money? De un banco o de un cajero. Cajero significa ATM. ATM. ¿Vale?
It will be saco. Saco el dinero.
Muy bien.
Un banco.
नहीं तुम बैंक ही नहीं विड्रॉ कर सकते. From a bank you can say. Saco
हाँ,
el dinero de.
Saco el dinero de un banco.
Okay. Or you can withdraw from cajero means ATM.
ATM.
Yeah,
Or
say,
the.
No, you have been given two options. Choose one of those options. Saco el
Yeah.
dinero de un banco. You can say. Yeah. Okay. Next one. ¿Con qué Ninad, perhaps? ¿Con qué frecuencia miras la televisión? Mirar, to watch. How frequently you watch the television? Cada día, cada fin de semana. There are two options. ¿Con qué frecuencia miras la televisión? Miras. As आया है, as का ओ हो जाएगा. आइस का आमोस होता है. मिरास का मीनिंग होता है तू वॉच करता है. Not you all, you alone. ¿Con qué frecuencia miras la televisión? Señor Ninad. Señor Ninad is there?
Whose turn is it now?
Ninad, Señor Ninad.
Ninad. I don't see Ninad here. After Ninad, it will be Prachi.
Prachi.
Sí.
Okay. मिरास आस का ओ हो जाएगा.
Miro.
Muy bien.
Miro la televisión. Cada fin de semana.
Muy bien. Miro la televisión. Cada.
Sorry, yeah. Cada.
Perhaps I should change the fonts. Okay. Cada fin de. It appears more like O. Okay. Siguiente.
Yes, sir.
Prajakta.
Tomás Teo café por la mañana. Tomás Teo café por la mañana. Am I asking you or am I asking you all? Had it been you all, it would have been ice, but I'm asking you alone. Tomás. Ask.
Yes.
Okay.
Tomote o café por la mañana. So. Tomote café.
आप चाय लेते हो या कॉफी लेते हो? दोनों में से कोई ऑप्शन होगा. पोरला मानियाना तो वैसा का वैसा ही रहेगा. पोरला मानियाना वैसा का वैसा ही रहेगा. खाली इन दोनों में से आपको चूज करने का है और तोमास का एप्रोप्रिएट फॉर्म चेंज करने का है.
Okay, sir. So, tomote por la mañana.
Tomote por la mañana. Vale. Muy bien. Siguiente, ¿ayudas a tu padre el domingo?
Yeah. So,
Pramod.
Yeah. Ayudo a tu padre el domingo.
Okay. I'm asking you whether you help your father on Sunday.
Yes.
So you are saying yes.
Yes.
I help your father on Sunday.
Yeah. So ayudo
mi padre.
Ayudo a di padre.
Mi padre el domingo.
Yeah. Ayudo a Di padre. Yes. Si.
Do you help your father on Sunday? You would say yes, I help my father on Sunday. So your father का my father हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
So you will according to make a change. Ayudo a mi padre el domingo.
Mi padre. Okay. Yeah. So ayudo a mi padre el domingo.
Okay.
Sir, I think it should be si ayudo e padre el domingo, correct? It's you're saying yes, I help.
Yes, you can say si ayudo a mi padre el domingo. Now, Senior Pramod, I'm asking you, tu hija te ayuda el domingo, or tu hija ayuda el domingo. Tu hija ayuda el domingo. Does she help on Sunday? Tu hija ayuda el domingo.
Tu hija. Okay, does she? So it will be hija only. It remain hija only.
But it will be mi hija. You will say
mi hija. Okay, mi hija.
Ayuda.
Mi hija ayuda.
Yeah, she helps. Okay.
She helps.
She helps will remain she helps only. Okay.
Yes.
In that question, if I'm asking you, she helps on Sunday or she not helps on Sunday. Something similar in Spanish. Okay.
Yes.
Next one. After Pramod, I think Prasad.
Yeah, me.
Prasad.
Yeah.
Cocinas el domingo. Cocinas el domingo. Cocinar to cook.
Cocinas el domingo.
Ask. Do you cook on Sunday?
Cocino el domingo.
Cocino el domingo. Vale, muy bien. Siguiente, MIT. Prasad, you remember MIT? Our experience, reading experience in MIT. Okay. Okay. Let's take names of some other institution. Let's take en la escuela. Let's take it like that. Whom do I ask?
It will be turn of after Prasad, Pratiksha, Prerna.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Funcionan, okay, funcionan bien las computadoras en la escuela. स्कूल में जो कंप्यूटर्स है वो अच्छी तरह से काम कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे? Okay. आन क्या है? फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन?
थर्ड पर्सन.
ओके, तो उसमें आपको कुछ भी नहीं करने का, ठीक है?
यस.
सी और नो बोलो अगर पूछा है तो, एंड जस्ट चेंज द टोन व्हेन यू आंसर. ओके.
Okay. Si funcionan bien las computadoras en la escuela.
Muy bien. Las computadoras en la escuela. The computers work well or not in the school? They work well. So verb form will remain same since it's third person singular or plural. It will remain same. Need not.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, one question. I think what I remember whenever is second person, third person plural, then the form become a previous version, correct? When we pronounce it like it is funcionion, funcionion, then it should be funcionios. Funcionios. Sorry.
Funcionan is which person? First, second,
third,
or third person?
Third.
Plural.
Third plural.
Remember, थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल का जो भी कुछ वर्ब फॉर्म क्वेश्चन में होगा वही आंसर में होगा. Computers work well in the school. Yes, computers work well in the school. That's it.
Okay, if it was not in question mark, then it should be AIS at the end.
Yeah, thing is that there is no to, does and did in Spanish. So there is no way you can pose a question tag in Spanish. You have to change the tone. Okay. That's why I'm asking you in the tone of a question. If I keep it a flat tone, then I would be making a statement rather than asking a query. I'll be stating an observation. The computer. Okay. If I say something in flat tone, the same sentence. Funcionan bien las computadoras en la escuela. The computers in the school work well. That is a statement. or that is maybe an observation, but that is not a query. If you want to ask a query, it should have the tone of a question. Funcionan bien las computadoras en la escuela? See, since there is no do, does, and did, there is no way you can keep a flat tone and ask a question. You have to change your intonation accordingly. Is this what you wanted to know?
Actually, since it is question mark, then you said no need to change the form actually. But otherwise, it should be instead of an, it should be AIS, correct? If it is not in question mark.
Yeah.
That is what.
AIS अगर AIS आ गया, AIS आ गया.
Right.
AIS का आमोस आएगा ना?
No. If it is AN, if it is AN.
AN, that it remains AN only.
Okay, it will remain. Okay, it's only concern of first or second person in the singular. Yeah. Okay, got it. Okay, thank you.
If they only in first person and second person,
yeah,
you have to change from second person to first person or second person plural to first person plural.
Yeah. Okay. Gracias. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Los estudiantes de MCM. Okay, that this may be a course. Los estudiantes de MCM. Fuman en escuela. Okay. Now here is perhaps your query answer. Los estudiantes de MCM. MCM. Fuman en escuela. Whose turn is that? The students of MCM smoke in the school.
Sir, my turn.
Sanjana.
Yeah. Los estudiantes de MCM fuman en escuela.
¿Es verdad? Is it true?
No, los estudiantes de MCM fuman en escuela.
No. If you put the right, what I understood what you want to say, but remember, you have to put the no before the verb form. You have to put no 2 times if you want to negate a particular thing or negate a particular action. First of all, you just say no. If you are not sure about verb form, then the ideal way to communicate would be no. Okay. If you know nothing about it, just say no.
Okay.
Or if you want to make it in a complete sentence, you can say no. Los estudiantes de MCM no fuman en escuela.
Okay.
Only one singular negative won't be sufficient.
Yeah.
Okay. It can be a standalone answer. No, that is a brief answer, abrupt answer. That may be the true one. That is not a question. But if you want to say it in a full sentence, then you have to say 2 negatives. No. Just like in English. No.
Yes,
the
sir.
students of MCM don't smoke in school.
Okay.
Muy bien. Next one. Next
Sanjana Seshadri.
¿Qué tipo de música escucháis en la casa? I am asking about your family members. Okay. तुम सब लोग किस टाइप का म्यूजिक अपने घर में you listen? Okay. ¿Qué tipo de música escucháis? Música latina.
Escuchamos en la casa música clásico.
Música clásica. Yes.
Clásica.
Música clásica. You can say música clásica India. Música clásica India.
Música clásica India.
Vale. ¿Quién es tu cantante favorito? ¿Quién es tu cantante favorito? Cantante favorita. Because cantante won't lead me to the gender. So I have to specify cantante favorito, cantante favorita.
Cantante favorito SPB.
SPB Balasubramaniam. Vale. Y cantante favorita. ¿Quién es tu cantante favorita? Famous singer, but favorita means a lady singer.
Cantante favorita Chitra.
Okay.
Señorita Chitra.
Mi cantante favorita es Señora Chitra o Señorita Chitra. Okay, whatever. Vale.
Señora Chitra. Yeah.
¿Quién es más famoso? Yeshudas o SP Balasubramaniam? ¿Quién es más famoso? Yeshudas o SP Balasubramaniam?
SP Balasubramaniam más famoso.
Es más famoso. Vale. Muy bien. Siguiente. Who is the next one? After Sheshadri?
That's
Sonali.
Okay.
Levantas
los pesos en el gimnasio y lift weights in the gymnasium. Levantas los pesos.
levantó los pesos en el Gimnasio. Gimnasio.
En el gimnasio. Vale, vale, vale. Muy bien. Siguiente. Okay.
Vikram and Vilas. First Vikram, then Vilas.
Vikram, I'll make an appropriate change. Okay. ¿A qué hora llegar to arrive? Llegar significa to arrive. From which comes llegas. Huh?
Llega.
Now, empresa means company.
Company.
¿A qué hora? At what time? Llegas. Llegar to arrive. You arrive. Llegas. I'm saying not llega is. You all, I'm just asking you alone. Llegas en la empresa. In the company. At what time you arrive in the company? For example, a las 10 at 10 o'clock, a las 8 at 8 o'clock, a las 7 at 7 o'clock.
Should say y son las 12 llegas.
No, it is not. I am not asking you क्या टाइम है.
नहीं.
Okay, तुम कितने बजे कंपनी में अराइव होते हो?
Yeah, say I. Okay. Y llegas en.
No. Llegas का क्या हो जाएगा? Llego. I arrive. इसमें I भी आएगा, arrive भी आएगा. एक्शन भी आएगी, एक्शन करने वाला दोनों आएगा एक ही वर्ड फॉर्म में. ठीक है? Llego en la, बाकी कुछ चेंज करने का नहीं है. Llego en la empresa. At 10 o'clock, at 8 o'clock, at 7 o'clock, at 9 o'clock. That's your choice. Llego en la empresa.
Llega en la empresa.
Llego.
Llego en la empresa. Son las 10.
I arrive in the company. It is 9 o'clock. Okay. It is not what I intend. I arrive in the company at 8 o'clock. Okay. It is 8 o'clock. नहीं कहने का.
अच्छा.
It is 8 o'clock. So that will be another verb, another sentence. Okay. Okay. So Diego en la empresa a las 8, a las 9.
A las 8, a las 9, a las 12, a 10.
A las 10. AM o PM. AM or PM. What is AM?
Oh, AM, PM.
Yeah. Okay, vale. Yeah, you should keep that in mind. That's why I said the names of letters really very. Okay, ¿a qué hora cenáis? Next one.
Vilas.
¿A qué hora cenáis?
¿A qué hora cenáis? Cenamos. Yeah.
You can refer to this. Yeah, cenamos.
Cenamos en la.
A las.
A las 9.
A las cenamos a las 9. Vale. ¿Con quién cenáis? ¿Con quién cenáis? O con quién cenas? Tú, in particular. ¿Con quién cenas? With whom do you take dinner?
Yeah, I could not get. Por favor.
¿Con quién? With whom? Con means with. ¿Quién means whom? ¿Con quién cenas? ¿Con quién cenas? With whom do you take dinner? Cenas. Now not cenáis. Cenas.
Ceno.
With con.
Ceno padre.
Ceno con mi padre.
Ceno con mi padre.
Vale. Siguiente, Abhishek. ¿A qué hora desayunáis? तुम सब लोग कंपनी में
Prasad, it is 6:30.
Okay.
But we can take one more round if everyone is okay. Do you have enough questions?
Just 4 questions. Just 4 more questions, and I can finish off this topic.
Okay. Then let's finish.
Okay. ¿A qué hora desayunáis? I'm asking Abhishek. Okay. तुम सब लोग कंपनी के लोग हो. तुम सब लोगों को मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. ¿A qué hora desayunáis? आप सब लोग कंपनी में ब्रेकफास्ट लेते हो. तो I'm asking you. ¿A qué hora desayunáis? तुम सब लोग कितने बजे ब्रेकफास्ट लेते हो?
Abhishek.
Yes, sir. So desayunamos.
Muy bien.
Desayunamos a las 9.
A las 9. AM o PM.
AM.
Muy bien. El siguiente, ¿de dónde compráis los libros de informática? ¿De dónde compráis los libros de informática? Let's say
Ajay,
you are from
They don't.
Ajay, you are from Pune?
C.
Okay. So
Yes.
you may say ABC, Appa Balwan Chowk. Okay. De donde compráis los libros de informática? तुम सब स्टूडेंट लोग कहाँ से इंफॉर्मेटिका कंप्यूटर साइंस के बुक्स खरीद लेते हो? Compráis, आइस का आमोस हो जाता है.
Compramos, yeah. Compramos libros de informática ABC.
De ABC, from ABC. De, how will you say ABC in Spanish? A, B, C. De ABC. ¿Vale? Muy bien, muy bien.
De ABC.
ABC. Next one.
Jitendra.
¿Bailas en la discoteca? ¿Bailas en la discoteca? Do you dance in the discotheque? Bailar to dance?
No. No bailo.
No bailo en la discoteca. Muy bien. No bailo en la discoteca. Last one. ¿De quién es el?
Manju.
Señora. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Preparáis los platos mexicanos en la casa. तुम सब लोग घर में मेक्सिकन डिशेस बनाते हो क्या? Preparáis. आइस का आमोस हो जाता है.
Preparo los platos mexicanos en la casa.
Vale, ये तुम्हारे अकेले बारे खुद इंडिविजुअल बारे में ठीक है, लेकिन आई एम आस्किंग प्रेपाराइस, तुम सब लोग मिलके घर में मेक्सिकन डिशेस बनाते हो क्या? आइस है, had it been only us, preparas los platos mexicanos en la casa, it would have been preparo los platos mexicanos en la casa.
Now it will be preparamos.
Preparamos. Sí.
Ramos los platos mexicanos en la casa.
Muy bien, muy bien. Preparamos los platos mexicanos en la casa. So this is how we the session was intended to help you with vocab, to help you with verb conjugations, and a lot of things you learned. I mean, this revises a lot of things you learned earlier. So keep that in mind. If you can, please send the answers to all of these questions. You can say yes, no, choice is yours. But I want you to be particular with verb forms. Those should be correct ones. That's all I expect. Okay. So with that, I end this lecture. We'll meet again on El Miércoles on Wednesday. I'll ask you about TMC. तुम्हारा टोस्टमास्टर्स क्लब है, उसके बारे में I'll ask you.
Prasad, yes. Everybody is not member of Toastmasters. Only 2 or 3 are members of Toastmasters. Don't assume that everyone is member of Toastmasters.
Okay.
Adios, amigos.
Adios.